In this video, I'm going to show you how to make columns for the roller coaster. It's pretty easy. We're just going to make 5 sides, tape it together, and then we're done. So I'm going to put my ruler down here, and I'm going to make the edges 7/8 of an inch wide. So I need a pencil, and then I'm going to find 7/8, which is right here. Then I'm going to do another 7/8 right here. Oops. Sorry. 7/8 is right here. Seven eighths right here. 7/8 right here. 7/8 right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one, this is where I'm going to cut. And then I go to this side, same thing. Make a line at 7/8. 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 And then I'm just going to turn this sideways. If you have a sharp pencil on this, it helps it fold when you make the line. Even though it's just a little tiny line, that does kind of indent the paper a little bit. And then when you try to fold it, it folds easier. Okay, try to be exact. But if you're off by a tiny bit, it's not going to ruin your whole coaster. Okay, so this is the only one that we're going to cut. I'm going to go ahead and cut right here. You could do this with 4 sides, but then that where you tape it together and make a column is not going to be quite as strong. So here I have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and fold this. I'm going to use my ruler to try to make it straight as possible. Okay, this column, by the way, is about 8.25 inches tall. You can make it taller. I like 8.25 because then I can get 2 columns for sure from one folder. Okay, I'm going to go back after I do this one, and I can make 1 there. So 3. I can make 3 columns from one folder. Okay, then we're going to fold this like this. Then that's the column. So I get the tape. I'm going to once again do a little tiny piece of tape. Make sure this is exactly even right there. Trying to be real precise on that first piece of tape. And then I'm going to go to the other side. Same thing. Gonna put tape right here, and I'm going to try to be really precise. Okay, and then I'm going to take a longer piece of tape. This one's pretty long. Okay, there we go. I have one column, and that column is going to go right here. So remember, we have this little flap here. I kept that flap because it's really nice to tape to the column, and that makes it extra stable. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tape here, and then I'm going to go underneath, and I'm going to tape from here to here and from here to here. So make sure it's taped in at least 3 edges. That's it. That's how to make a column.